Now I am showing how to create walkthrough in Navisworks Manage. Go to viewpoint and walk. Here you can select fly also, and here you can select collision, gravity, crouch or third person. Create walkthrough by press left bottom and save the viewpoints. Again create walkthrough and save viewpoint. Again right click on save viewpoints and add animation. You can change the name. Okay. Now select all the viewpoints and drag and drop in walkthrough animation. Now go to animation and select the walkthrough animation, and this is play. In this way you can create walkthrough animation. You can export this animation by export animation tab, and here select current animation. Here is another option for timeliner simulation also, and current animators scene also. Here render should be viewport and format. You can change the format as JPG for picture, JPG and PNG for image, and AVI for video, and other options are okay. You can change the width and height also. Okay. And I will save this in desktop. You can change the name also. Okay, here is the file. This is the output of walkthrough animation.